Artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize various industries, bringing forth innovative solutions and transforming the way we live and work. In this video, we will explore several recent developments in the field of AI that are shaping the future. Let's delve into the exciting world of AI and its far-reaching implications for our future. AIchef. Researchers from the University of Cambridge have unveiled an AI-powered robot that can replicate cooking skills by analyzing videos. This remarkable achievement demonstrates the ability of AI to transcend the digital realm and enter the world of tangible tasks. Leveraging computer vision techniques, the robot meticulously examines each frame of the video, identifying various objects and features. With the potential for robots to learn human behaviors simply by watching videos, the future of culinary mastery could be within reach. Zoom AI. Zoom, a leading video conferencing platform, has recently introduced a range of generative AI features aimed at enhancing productivity during meetings. These features include meeting summaries, thread and email drafts, and meeting catch-ups. Although currently available only for select plans, Zoom's vision for its AI companion, Zoom IQ, is to offer comprehensive support, from capturing meeting whiteboards to aiding in email composition. Generative AI ETF. The world of investment is not untouched by AI's transformative potential. The first generative AI exchange-traded fund, ETF, has emerged, attracting $39 million in investments. On June 1st alone, the fund experienced a staggering growth of $13 million. Known as Chat ETF, it boasts a diversified portfolio consisting of 30 global stocks, with top holdings in companies such as Nvidia, Microsoft, and Baidu. This pioneering ETF with its modest expense ratio paves the way for an influx of generative AI investment vehicles in the future, marking only the beginning of an exciting era in AI-driven finance. Instacart AI. Instacart, a popular online grocery delivery service, has introduced Ask Instacart, a groundbreaking AI-powered search tool designed to assist customers with their grocery shopping queries. The uniqueness lies in its integration of natural language chat into Instacart's main search bar, enabling customers to receive personalized answers related to budgeting, dietary specifications, cooking skills, and preferences. Dr. Visit AI. Carbon Health, a healthcare technology company, has leveraged AI to release automated visit summaries and charting powered by GPT. By utilizing Amazon's Transcribe Medical and GPT-4, the company has successfully reduced the time doctors spend summarizing and charting patient visits from 16 to 4 minutes, marking a significant 75% improvement. With the increasing automation of administrative tasks, AI holds the potential to alleviate the burdensome aspects of a doctor's job, allowing them to focus more on providing quality care. Falcon 40B Free. Advancements in open-source AI models. The Falcon 40B, an open-sourced model boasting an impressive 40 billion parameters trained on 1 trillion tokens, has now become royalty-free. With an efficiency rate of utilizing 75% of GPT-3's training compute, this model surpasses other prominent AI models like Meta's Llama and Stability AI's Stable LM. The rapid progress in this space demonstrates the incredible potential of open-source AI models, paving the way for further breakthroughs and collaborative advancements. AI's impact on employment. The rise of AI technology has not been without consequences, particularly in terms of employment. In May, a staggering 4,000 jobs were lost to AI, as reported by the Challenger report, which analyzed 80,089 announced job cuts in the United States. This alarming figure is just the tip of the iceberg, with a recent Goldman Sachs report projecting that AI could impact 300 million jobs worldwide. As the implications of AI on the workforce become increasingly evident, it becomes crucial to explore ways to adapt and reskill individuals for the evolving job market. NVIDIA Neuralangelo. NVIDIA, a renowned technology company, continues to make groundbreaking strides in AI. One notable development is Neuralangelo, an AI model focused on high-fidelity neural surface reconstruction. By utilizing simple video captures from smartphones as the basis for generating complex 3D geometry, this technology showcases the rapid progress made in the field. These advancements hold significant promise for various applications, including augmented reality, virtual reality, and digital content creation. OpenAI CTO hacked. The recent hacking incident involving Mira Murati, the CTO of OpenAI, highlights the potential dangers associated with cybersecurity and AI. Her compromised account was used to promote a crypto token called $OpenAI through a dangerous phishing link, garnering over 525 likes due to her extensive following. This incident serves as a reminder of the importance of exercising caution while interacting with online content, even from trusted sources. Apple Autocorrect LLM. During the Worldwide Developers Conference, Apple unveiled a major AI feature that incorporates transformer-powered autocorrect into its devices. This significant step signifies Apple's entry into the realm of large language models, LLMs. The impact extends beyond text correction, as transformers also enhance dictation quality. Apple's embrace of LLM technology opens up possibilities for improved language processing across various applications and devices. EU's call for AI content classification. The European Union (EU) has taken an early stance on regulating AI by urging social media companies to label AI-generated content. Recognizing the need for transparency and the ability to distinguish human-generated content from AI-generated content, the EU Commission's Vice President expressed strong opinions regarding AI's production. However, the challenge lies in effectively implementing these measures, as AI detection technology can be deceived. As we explore these recent developments, it becomes clear that AI is rapidly reshaping various aspects of our lives. From revolutionizing cooking skills to transforming investment strategies, streamlining healthcare procedures, and impacting the job market, AI's potential continues to expand. With advancements in open-source models, 3D reconstruction, and language processing, the future of AI holds immense possibilities. However, it is important to address security concerns and navigate the evolving landscape of AI regulation responsibly. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe.